6 exercises to find and fix muscle imbalances. Okay, are you looking at improving your health and fitness? Whether you are a local from Southeast Asia or you have retired or relocated, your health is paramount to you having a wonderful life. In this video, we talk about muscle imbalance exercises that will help you find and fix imbalances in your body that may be causing you to have problems with everyday life. These exercises are perfect to do during training to increase overall strength and balance for your body. Sometimes the pains you feel are caused by weaknesses in your muscles. It's common for any person to have one side of the body that is stronger than the other, and if not careful, these weaknesses will worsen with continued activity. Muscle imbalances are quite a bit more common than you realise. Muscle imbalances anywhere in the body, particularly in the legs, can trigger major problems down the road. For example, weaknesses in one hip may alter your stride as you unknowingly compensate for the weakness by favouring the stronger side. A muscle imbalance anywhere in the body can cause one side to be overused and eventually lead to injury. The best exercises to find and fix muscle imbalances. Number 1. Single leg squat. The single leg squat is incredibly effective in highlighting side-to-side differences. Completing this exercise on each leg helps you to feel the difference in strength from side to side. You may immediately notice that one quad, hip or glute is stronger than the other when you complete this exercise. Number 2. Single leg bridge. Another isolating movement that will highlight any imbalances is the single leg bridge. Completing a single leg bridge on each side is a simple way to find out if one hip is stronger than the other. Complete a single leg bridge and hold for 30 seconds on each side. Both exercises will give you a good idea for which side is lacking in strength. Number 3. Kneeling spinal twist. This exercise is not strenuous but still very revealing. Kneeling on your hands and knees, simply raise one hand to the ceiling, twisting your body around with it. Do the same on the other side. You will likely notice that one side can twist farther than the other. This may be a combination of a weak core and back strength on one side, as well as tighter, inflexible muscles. Number 4. Inline lunge. This simple variation on a regular lunge will reveal a great deal about your side-to-side leg and hip strength. The only difference in this inline lunge is that you will want both feet to be perfectly in line with one another. You can do this by lowering your body into a regular lunge and then moving your front foot over so it is in line with your back foot. Number 5. Single leg deadlift. The single leg deadlift is one of those exercises that looks easy but can be surprisingly challenging. You can choose to complete this exercise with a weight if you'd like, but the unweighted movement will be enough in uncovering any muscle imbalances. Begin by standing and then simultaneously lower one hand to the floor while raising the opposite leg so it is parallel to the floor. Number 6. Single arm and knee extension. Another revealing balance exercise is a single arm and knee extension. Begin by kneeling on the floor and then simultaneously extend one arm and leg on the same side. Focus on keeping your arm and leg parallel to the floor when you extend them. Once your leg and arm are fully extended, bring them both in so your elbow and knees touch. Fortunately, completing simple strength exercises is often an easy fix for muscle imbalances. Once you have discovered your muscular weaknesses, incorporating regular strength, stretch and deep breathing exercises into your training plan will help you to stay strong and healthy. Isolating your weak side and focusing on proper form will help increase your strength and rebalance your body. By dedicating just a few minutes to these strengthening exercises at the end of each workout, your muscle imbalances will correct themselves quickly. I always recommend trying yoga. It's the best way of rebalancing your body.